Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. आज global risk sentiment is looking quite strong. Equity markets are trading higher, dollar index is lower, US bond yields are trading at the lowest levels in the last 4 weeks. But Chinese currency is quite weak because there's a lot of chatter that the Chinese economy is slowing down dramatically, and because of which their policymakers are concerned. And इसके लिए there have been a lot of meetings inside China, and we could expect more fiscal and monetary stimulus coming their way, which is good news for the global economy. But right now, a slowing China is a problem because the Chinese currency is depreciating. If this depreciation continues, it can have a negative impact on Asian currencies like the Indian rupee. आज offshore market में, because of possibly two reasons, एक तरफ Chinese currency is weak, दूसरे तरफ oil prices have started to move up. It's at a multi-month high. 117 के आसपास 17-18 के आसपास है Brent, and that is something which we have to keep a close eye on. If Brent starts to move higher, 120, 125, then again Indian rupee will find a new kind of a headache. जैसे एक तरफ equity markets में stability, bond deals में pullback and dollar index में weakness is positive for the rupee, दूसरी तरफ rising oil prices and weakening Chinese currency can create a fresh set of headaches for the Indian rupee. So right now in this kashmakash between these two set of opposing factors, Indian rupee is range bound, but we need to keep a close eye on oil and yuan, because ये दोनों currency if these two markets start to move higher, then Indian rupee USDINR can see an up move. फिलहाल तो 77.40 और 77.80 के बीच spot फंसा हुआ है. 80 के आसपास RBI का intervention is very aggressive. They are selling dollars, and closer to 77.40 because of this external reasons and FPI outflows and carry trade unwinding. All of these reasons in the dollar rupee is finding a lot of support. And because of this range bound kind of price movement, implied volatility has come down quite a bit. It's trading at the lowest level since April, early April. जिसके कारण the option premiums are quite low. Because it's range bound, one can continue to short options, but as the risk reward is low, reduce your position sizing. क्योंकि low risk reward में doesn't make sense to continue with a large position sizing. So reduce your positions in the market now and continue with short straddles and short strangles. Somebody wanting to do a positional long in dollar rupee, one of the ways to do it is through ratio call spreads, क्योंकि उसमें आपको premium receive होगा rather than paying premium. So you can stay in the market if the dollar rupee continues to linger at current levels or even if it pulls back. इंट्राडे फ्यूचर्स में और शॉर्ट टर्म में क्योंकि 77, 40, 50 जोन से स्पॉट इज बाउंसिंग, सो यू कैन लुक टू बाय द डिप्स, बट ensure that you have stops in case the dollar rupee breaks down below 77.40 on this spot basis. So keep that in mind. And in the crosses, GBP-INR and Euro-INR should continue to do well, and so is Yen-INR. So all these three currencies can continue to see a short covering buying in them. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.